Hello everyone. It has been so many days that I haven't reviewed any product. So this time in this video I'll be talking about so many products to review, and within short duration I'll be showing you so many reviews. Yes, if you want a detailed review about this, follow me on Instagram. I have started posting detailed review about each and every product. And without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, where I got all the products? I got the products from Smitten. Smitten is a app where you get products for trial, and you get sample size packs or travel size packs in order to try the product. So I'll be showing you what I have got in 2 orders. In this orders, you will be paying only for the shipping, and that shipping half of the money as your cashback, or you can convert it into trial points. First, you'll be getting 6 trial points, and out of that 6 trial points, you can buy either products of 1 trial each or 2 trial each, or according to you. You can use the 6 trial points to buy products, and maximum you'll be getting about 5 to 6 products. And sometimes they have assured gifts with that, and you may be lucky enough to get free products with that. On my first purchase, I had got this as a free product. This is the Man Company Bravio scent. This is a perfume. This is 30 ml and it is of worth $5.99. And the lower notes of this product is tobacco and sandalwood, and it smells so good, so good. It has a musk smell and it really smells really good. So that was the first assured gift that I had got in my first order. So this is the second product. This is Dwak Coffee Bean and Ginger Hair Shampoo. If you can see, I have already emptied this down and I have broken this seal. So this was the product, and it lasted me for 2 to 3 washes, and today also I have cleaned my hair with that, and really works well on my hair, and it really cleanses my scalp, and it doesn't have added perfume, fragrance or color, so it is really good. So coming to the third product, this is the cooling Korean masks. I have got of 2 types. This is hyaluronic acid essence mask, another one is platinum essence mask. These two are what I got. If you are wondering, this looks like Chinese. No, this is not Chinese. This is a Korean company, and it is really a very famous company which makes sheet masks. Earlier I used to use the compressed sheet masks with my DIY, but I thought, why not I try something that is more of a chemical serum and chemical exfoliation, because I have seen many bloggers recommending that for a healthy skin, and I am always into natural products, so I thought, why not I try this. Into this is Raw Nature's face wash red volcanic clay. So I will recommend this to people who are not having any sensitive skin. As I am having sensitive skin, for the first 3 days it didn't show me any kind of effect on my skin, like it didn't give me any kind of breakout, but after using it for 10 to 15 days it started giving me breakouts. So if you are a person who is not into so much of like acne breakouts, and you want to try new product, you can go for this. It really cleanses the face well and gives a very smooth and shiny skin. Now coming to the another product, this is Sheer Secrets Deep Tissue Balm Oil. This is a pure herbal oil. If you want, I can read the ingredients: wintergreen oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, ratan jhot extract, turmeric extract, camphor oil, peppermint oil, clove oil, cinnamon bark oil, cinnamon leaf oil, eucalyptus oil, Justamansi oil, and chalmogra oil. This is a really good oil. This is for if you are having muscle pain. Generally I get muscle pain, so I tried this out and it really worked well on me. So if you are a person who is into muscle pain all the time, you can go for this. I highly recommend this one. Now coming to 2 of my favorite products. The first product is Aranya Hair Calm Conditioner with Argan Oil Pack. This is a trial pack. Still I used it for 3 times and I am still having this, if you can see. So if you go for the high-end brands, I don't want to take the names of the brands, but if you want to go for any high-end brand with argan oil and hair mask, it will be costing at least for $500. But you can get the entire tub of this product within 3 to 400, and it really works well, let me tell you. It makes my hair so smooth, glossy and soft. You just need to apply this after doing a shampoo, and then just leave it for 10 minutes and then wash it off, and it really works well. So this is the second product I was talking about. This is Revona Natural Strawberry Lip Scrub. This is for 5 gram and the key ingredients are shea butter, vitamin E, strawberry flavor, and jojoba oil, and this really works well on my lips. It has sugar as well, yes, and it really works very well on my lips. It makes my lip plumpy, soft, and glossy. So if you are a person who is having dry lips and want to go for a scrub, then you should go for this. It really works well. Most recommended these two products. Now coming to two products which I hated the most, and I will say totally no for that product. So both the products are from the same company, that is Saint Immense. The first one is Himalaya Pink Salt with White Water Lily, and it is a body wash. I got this one as a sample pack only, and this smells awful. First of all, awful. If I compare this is let me tell you, just worse. I don't want to compare with any kind of company, but it really smells worse. It doesn't have any color, but it doesn't work well on my skin. I didn't like it. I started getting itchiness on my skin after using that. So it's a total no for people. If you want to invest in something, go and invest in something else, but not on this. Now coming to the second product that I was talking about, this company is Saint Immense Multani Mitti Lotion. So it's a total no again. It claims to consist of orange peel, haldi, licorice, mangista, cashew, rose water, but it doesn't work well. Let me tell you, I got huge amount of breakouts. If you can see on my skin, it has so much of breakouts. I got breakouts because of this. I even thought of trying it on my underarms because my skin is getting breakouts. When I tried on my underarms, even I started getting problems over there. I started getting breakouts over there, so I stopped using this. It is a total no product. Don't even try to use it. And if you are a person who is having a sensitive skin. So the last but not the least, this is the last product, that is Earth Naturals Hydrating Chamomile Gel. This was a sample pouch for 5 gram, and it consists of aloe vera, chamomile, essential oil, rose water, and cabopol. So it has, if you don't know what is chamomile has anti-inflammatory and anti-fungal properties, which is really good. And I even tried the gel. I emptied down the entire thing into this Amrutanjan ka dabba. You can see. So when I started applying this, I could really see a huge difference on my skin, and I am continually applying that. Just need to do spot treatments. It really works well. So it is highly recommended for people who are having acne and pimples on the skin. You can go for this one. So that was all the products I was talking about. Let me know in the comment section which product you want to try. And if you really want to see the detailed reviews, you can follow me over Instagram and like my Facebook page as well. I'll be posting more and more videos. If you want to see the reviews, comment down below whether you want to see the reviews or just skincare hacks and fitness goals. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,